Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mallard 5 Farmhouse. I've been getting a lot of questions recently about the tractor, how it's working out for me, how I like it, the features that I like on it, and anything that's going wrong. So I thought I'd do a video today of an overview of the tractor so far. We're sitting right almost at 100 hours on the tractor. I've had it for over 2 years now, so I thought it'd be a good time to go back and review how I'm liking the tractor. So here we are with my LS XR 4040. Obviously it's a 40 horse tractor, and here on my 50-acre farm it so far has done everything that I've needed it to do. I've shown you clips of me splitting wood, cutting wood, skidding logs, brush hogging. This thing is a workhorse and I've worked her pretty hard. So let me go over some of the features that I like about this tractor. First things first, I like it to be easy for me to fuel this thing up, because I have to do it a good bit, especially when I'm brush hogging. And having the fuel tank down low to dump your can into is a major plus for me, especially once I get older. And this time of year, I like running the Power Service diesel fuel supplement. It keeps your fuel from gelling up, and it just keeps your engine that much cleaner. Now, most of you know that I run a quick hitch now, but before that I just used a regular 3-point hitch. And with this tractor, this is an XR 4040, it came with the adjustable arms. You squeeze these right here and you can pull your arms out a little bit. It makes it easier to hook up. And it also has these arms on the side where you can pull the pin out and adjust your arm side to side. It really made it so easy to hook things up. But like I said, I'm running the quick hitch now. It's a little bit easier and a little bit quicker to hook things up. And it's also a lot better for my brush hog too. This tractor also came standard with 2 sets of rear remotes. And that comes handy for my log splitter. And it will be very nice if I ever get a backhoe for this tractor too. Got a plug back there for a trailer. Got a work light back here in the back. And we also have a little toolbox right there too. Here's another nice handy feature. No matter where I'm at, I can pull this back seat down and have my manual with me at all times. So if anything ever happens out in the field, I can refer to this manual. It's nice and safe right here in the back seat. I thought that was pretty neat. Your filters are easy to get to on this tractor. There's your oil filter. Back up here, and right there is your hydraulic filter right in front of the tire there. So that's a big plus for me. So now let's get to the part that bugs everybody, it seems like. The DPF filter and the Regen system. Right behind me is the burner and the diesel particulate filter. And all it does is whenever the engine creates soot or particulate matter, it burns it off in a cleaner manner, I guess. Now for me, a regen usually happens about every 4 hours on the tractor, and it can last 20 minutes or even up to close to an hour. It all depends on how hard you run the tractor. And a tip for you guys, if you have one of these Regen systems on your tractor, my dealer has told me this, I've seen it in the forums, on the Facebook groups, everybody says to run this tractor hard. Run your tractor hard, because it keeps it running hotter and it burns off more of the soot and the diesel particulates. I forgot to mention, because I see this a lot in tractor forums and Facebook groups, whenever a tractor goes through a regen, you do not have to stop the tractor and just let it run. You can keep running your tractor, keep brush hogging, hauling firewood, whatever you're doing. In fact, it's even better to run your tractor hard, and that makes the regen go that much faster. Now another thing you'll see online and on YouTube especially is dealer service, customer service from LS, the company itself. And I've said it before in my other videos, those are things that I can't relate to. My dealer is great. I bought this tractor at Mendenhall Farms. That's the hat that I wear all the time. My dealer is great. Anything that I ever need, any questions, they're always there for me. If you live in eastern Ohio, northern West Virginia, western Pennsylvania, I'd highly recommend Mendenhall Farms. If I would call my dealer right now, he would send somebody out to my house and they would come fix whatever problem I have. And if not, they would tow it back to the shop. And that's a good feeling to know, because I don't have a trailer big enough to tow this thing. So a good dealer is important. And I've had a subscriber, he was having trouble with his dealer. A part broke on his 3-point hitch, and he couldn't get the dealer to get him any parts because it was still under warranty. So he messaged me, asked me, what should I do? I'm going to sell this tractor if I can't get it fixed and if I can't get service for it. So I told him to message LS directly on Facebook. And so he did, and they helped him and fixed everything and made it right. So LS is working very hard on making their customer service better. In fact, they have, I guess they've won some awards for customer service here recently. So we're 100 hours into owning this tractor, and if you would ask me if I would buy another LS, I can honestly say that I would, and I would not worry about it. Because so far I have had no problems. I think I said it in my other video, my dad and my uncle, they both owned LS tractors. They've never had any problems with them, and their tractors are like 6-7 years old. Mine is 2. Basically though, these tractors will last you a lifetime if you take care of them. Sure, you're going to have your lemons, and I think that's what we've seen on YouTube in the recent years. Some guys got some bad tractors and they put it all out there. Nothing wrong with that, but you have to realize every tractor brand is going to have their lemons. The big deal is whether they fix it or not. And like I said, LS is trying to do better with their customer service, because I've talked to them myself. All right, that's about all I can think of for going over this tractor. Like I said, we're at 100 hours. The next oil change isn't until 200 hours, I believe. So we have a little while for that. But if you can think of anything else that you'd like to know about this tractor, just leave a comment and I will try to get back with you, or we'll do another video. I hope this video helps you out if you're looking at buying an LS tractor. You can get them at a great price. I know some people are afraid because they're not as well known as other tractor brands, but like I said before, would I buy another LS tractor? Yes, I would, without any hesitation or worry. And that's just me being honest, because I haven't had any trouble with it. It's done everything I've asked it to do. So I hope this helps. The next time you see this thing, I'm going to try to get some hooks on here. I got some hooks for the tractor, just haven't put them on yet. But if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. That helps share it, I guess. And also hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with what we're doing with the tractor and on our farm. So until next time, everybody, thanks for watching.